How to go premium on My Drama application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using My Drama and want to enjoy an ad-free experience, exclusive episodes, or early access content, then going premium is a great move. To do so, launch open My Drama app on your device first and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of My Drama, go to the top right corner and you'll see a Pro button in golden color. Tap on it and then you can go ahead and choose different categories you'd like to subscribe. You'll see different plans such as bronze, gold, silver. Choose any one category you'd like to use or subscribe to and click on continue. Now go ahead and select your payment method and follow through the instructions in order to make your purchase or confirm your purchase. Depending upon your device, you can complete the payment via Google Play payment or Apple ID payment. Just make sure to choose the correct payment option and confirm the payment and wait for a few seconds. Once the payment is successful, your account will instantly upgrade. You can then watch your contents without ads, get early access to multiple dramas, and enjoy a smoother streaming. So that is how you can go pro in My Drama account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.